In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see all Facebook logged in devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap right here, add that gear to head over to settings and privacy, and then go to Meta Account Center. Once it is done, tap add password and security here. And that's where we can easily find the option which is called where you are logged in. We need to get into it. On the next step, you will be prompted to select one of your accounts associated with that Meta Account Center, including Facebook and Instagram accounts. I'm gonna select Facebook account, and what that will do, that will show me all the devices where I'm currently signed in with my Facebook account. Here I got iPhone 15 Pro at the very top, which is my current device, and also I can see here that I've also signed into my Samsung Galaxy and on my another iPhone. And then let's say if we want to sign out from another device, we can easily do so right from here. All we have to do is just get into it and then hit add logout. That will immediately log out us from the particular device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.